A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are safe. So, we will just revise lesson number 1, and the first topic which we will discuss is cloud computing. Now, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is basically internet computing. Now, you can see there are two words, cloud computing. Now, cloud means internet and computing means any activity that uses computers to manage, process, and communicate information. Now, cloud computing, it is a set of different types of hardware and software. So we can say that it's a collection of different types of hardware and software that work together to deliver or to provide services over a network or internet. Now we will discuss few examples of cloud computing. As you can see, Gmail, Google, Yahoo, YouTube, Facebook, so many are there. So, Gmail, Google, Yahoo, what they can do? They can access files, application, images, etc. via the internet from one device to other device. I hope you all have understood this topic. Thank you.